Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle, where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the UE Boom 2 going up against the Peel Plus. How do they compare sound-wise? That's what we're here to find out. As usual, the speakers are 6 feet away from the sound recorder and they are playing at 80% volume. Without wasting any more of your precious time, put your headphones on and let's hear the speakers speak.
I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not.
The same story here with the Peel Plus. At low volumes, the speaker is superior to the UE Boom 2 in the lows, but the Boom 2 has better mids, and vocals always sound amazing on the Boom 2. So once again, if you listen to the low volumes, the Peel Plus will sound better than the Boom 2. But if you are a loud listener, the highs in the Peel Plus might be a little bit annoying. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching this one and I will see you in the next one. Peace.